Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're going to be exploring Celer. We're going to be talking about the tokenomics, features, workings, and also end with a price prediction and compare it with other projects as well. My name is Trevor, also known as Mint and Max. Let's dive right in. CELR Network is a layer 2 platform, enhancing dApp development and operation across multiple blockchains. It's known for its trust-free, privacy-preserving design and blockchain interoperability with a focus on tokens, DeFi, NFTs, and governance. Founded in 2018, it uses off-chain scaling and crypto economics for high performance and also flexibility. So when it comes to the tokenomics, Celer's native token is Celer, CELR, and it has a cap supply of 10 billion tokens. So Celer is key for transactions, governance, and also network fees. So how does Celer Network work? So Celer uses layer 2 protocols on various blockchains, enhancing scalability and interoperability without changing the base layer. It includes sidechain technology and the generalized state channel network, or GSCM. The State Guardian Network, or SGM, is a decentralized proof of stake blockchain, and it's central for message routing and cross-chain transfers, providing security, speed, and cost efficiency. So Celer enables interchain native dApps development, improving liquidity utilization and shared states. It orchestrates smart contracts and ensures multi-blockchain interoperability. State channels offer instant, cost-effective transactions, and its Tendermint-based proof-of-stake consensus secures interchain blockchain communication. Now, when it comes to the use cases of Celer, Celer leads in revolutionizing sectors like DeFi, addressing high fees and slow confirmations. Its technology supports decentralized exchanges, bridges, yield aggregators, and lending protocols, enhancing cross-chain token swaps, asset management, and decentralized borrowing. Key components include the State Guardian Network, Celer C-Bridge, the Interchain Messaging Framework, Layer 2 Finance, C-Channel, and COS. These provide security, asset transfer capabilities, messaging, DeFi accessibility, high throughput, and off-chain scaling for dApps. Now, when it comes to the pros and cons, some of the pros are, it includes improved scalability, cost efficiency, and diverse use cases. Cons are its nascent state in layer 2 scaling and also challenges in network adoption. Now, when it comes to the price action, currently it's trading at 2 cents, and in the past year, it's actually up 128%. So it's looking pretty good in the past year. Now, when it comes to the market cap, it's currently sitting at 173 million, and the volume looks pretty good, right? It's up actually 41%, the volume, just the volume, which is pretty crazy, and that's up 41% to 7.8 million in the past 24 hours. And the current circulating supply is just 77% of the total supply, so that is at 7.7 billion tokens right now. And then, like I said earlier, the max cap supply is going to be at 10 billion. So there is just slight inflation up until, the rest of that 27% gets produced and minted into supply. Now, if we zoom out though, it's actually down 26%. And this is the all time, right? So back when it came to be in 2019, it was trading at around 2 cents back then, 0.023. And right now it's trading at 0.022. So it's interesting, right? You could technically say, if you're bullish on it, hypothetically, non-financial advice, that you could have a possible decent gain. All right, so the previous high looks to be at around 17 cents. I see there are some wicks up to around 19 cents. But let's just hypothetically say, if it went to the current price from where it is right now to the previous all-time high, what percentage would that be? Let's just say if it hit at around 17 cents, that would be an upside of 682%. So the other interesting thing to note is that, back in 2019, the market cap was at around, looks like around $40 million, right? Back then. Now, the current market cap is actually around, looks like 176 million. So the reason why that the market cap is bigger now than where it was previously is because more of the tokens have come into supply. That's why that explains that. That's literally inflation in front of your eyes. But even though, that kind of sucks, that even though the market cap has gone up so much more since the, initial coin offering, it still means that there's a lot more interest going into the project if the market cap is obviously growing. Now, we can also see on Etherscan that the amount of holders has continued to grow as well. And you can just take a look from, let's just say, December 20th, there was around 20,782 holders, and currently there is now 20,896 holders with the token on Ethereum. So that's just one thing to note as well. So there is more holders coming into it, and that's also a bullish thing to note. Now, when it comes to comparing the token to other projects, right? If it were for example, Celer network had Bitcoin's market cap of 888.6 billion, then one Celer would be worth $157, or an upside of 7,035x. Now, let's move a little bit further, because currently on CoinMarketCap is showing that it's in the 265th position, and with $173 million for market cap. So let's just move a little bit further. Like, for example, if we put it to a project which was flat at 1 billion, where would that put us? Well, currently would put us at around BUSD to Kava. Those are projects right now that are sitting at $1 billion. And that would put the potential price then, if it hit that $1 billion market cap valuation, then that would make the potential price of one Celer to 18 cents, or an upside of 695%. Moving even further, let's just say if it hit the 100th position, coming from where it is right now at the 265th position to around the, let's just say 100th position at USDD at 713 million. That would put the potential price to 13 cents, or an upside of 465%. Now, if it were to hit its previous all-time high, let's just say at one of the wicks at around 17 cents, that would be right now in between Tezos and looks like Sui or Sui. I've heard multiple pronunciations of this. That would be almost at around 957 million. At around that range, then the potential upside would be 658%, and that would put it at 17 cents. Now, let's take a look at the previous market cap all-time high. So that was at 1.06 billion. So if we were to look at other projects at around 1.06 billion, that would be, let's just hypothetically say, in between KuCoin and also Tokenomics exchange. And, that would be in between from 18 cents to 19 cents. So let me know your guys' thoughts on Celer. I found it to be an interesting project. That's why I wanted to research it and also let you guys know a little bit more about it. So let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Also, if you guys are interested in checking out Tangem and using another cold storage solution in addition to one of your others, for example, maybe you're using a Ledger, then I also highly recommend you check out Tangem and Tangem Wallet. Using the link in the description below, you will get a 10% discount on your purchase when you sign up, which is exclusive to me. And with that, you can get an awesome cold storage solution wallet, which uses an application on your phone, and also a cool card, which has an NFC reader for you to be able to sign transactions. Anyways, guys, my name is Trevor, also known as Minty Max. If you liked the video, do me a favor by minting me a subscription, and I'll see you guys in the next one.